Hey guys, this is a good humor ice cream pop or ice cream pan. Yep. Say hi, Mom. You too. It's a good humor chop. Sorry. Good humor. And strawberry. I feel like we call it good humor because it's good humor. Okay, so that's it. Sorry, wait. I'm gonna make it in a minute. First taste. Good. Awesome. Like Oreo cookie inside it. Guys, the 1 minute mark. See you guys.